What's going on, guys? Chilling up here. I'm up on Palomar Mountain. It's a pretty nice day out and shit. Pretty nice view of the mountains and shit. Nice twisties, hardly any traffic. And today, just when I'm taking a break and shit, I want to give you a walk around of my Jpr 600. It's 2013, and I have made a couple upgrades to it. Plan on making more in the future when I have more money, but we will see when we get there. I'm pretty much going to take you from front to back on it. It's not really, I didn't wash it. It's kind of not the cleanest right now, but you know, still my Jpr. I still want to show you the bike. So just do a quick walk around, then I'll show you what I got going on it. Alright, got me zero gravity here, double bubble, dark smoke windshield here. It's pretty cool. It comes up a lot higher than my factory, my stock one, but it's pretty cool. I might go back to clear one day, but I'm gonna show you the effect of having one of these windshields in a minute. I also got some Hot Bodies blue flush mounts here, blue flush mounts. They make the bike look cleaner, and I really like the way they look. Who knows, one day I'm gonna upgrade to that pigtail design, those pig stoppers. But for now, whatever the fuck they called. But for now, I'm just gonna keep these. Going on back here, I got some Jpr Shorty Levers here. They are pretty cool. They are adjustable, and the adjust links is like, it's the shorter the pull, you know. It's like for your shift over here, you put it in 1, you can get some quick shifts off that shit. And you put it in 6, the shifts are a little bit more. It takes a little bit more to actually get the shift down. Gotta be careful in 1, because if you like me, lane split, and you get to the head of that traffic and you're in 1, it's very easy to stall your bike out. And as far as your brake side, I recommend, it's also adjustable, but if you put it in 6, you get more effect of the brake. But if you drop it lower to get a quick pull, you still got to pull it down pretty hard to get the full brake. But I like them. I got them in black. They make the front of my bike look a bit cleaner and shit, so they pretty much work for me. I also got this this RAM mount for my iPhone here, which comes in handy. And with that, I can use my Google Maps to pretty much find out where I am and shit. Very helpful, very helpful. Got it from the RAM mount website. Also got some bar-in mirrors here to replace the stock ones that I had up here when I took out my mirrors up here and put these flush mounts in, because they're integrated lights. So I need some mirrors. In California law, you need to have at least 1 mirror. So, you know, I still got 2. And one thing about these mirrors is that you do see everything behind you. You know what I'm saying? The mirrors up here, the stock mirrors are always good, but these mirrors here, you see everything. The only disadvantage is that your perspective of how you see them, it's kind of, you got to get used to them, because even though they may seem far back, they could be right on your ass. It's like that objects may appear closer or further than they actually appear. You know what I mean? The car could be like right here, and according to my mirror, he look kind of farther back. So I might have to to do a turn head before I make the turn. So they're pretty cool, but you gotta get used to them because the way they're shaped. Alright, next I got my frame sliders here, my Shogun frame sliders. Yep, I got the bolt-ons. I didn't want to get the actual frame ones. I might upgrade later, but I just wanted to get those for now. Got them in white. Installed them myself. They're not that hard to install either. Very easy. And let's see, my next upgrade here is my M4 exhaust here, which I like. It's short and it's pretty loud. I'll crank it up here for you in a minute to let you guys hear it and hear how it sounds when I rev it. And then I also got the Yoshimura fender eliminator. Got rid of the so-called whale tail, and it also makes the bike a little cleaner. And I also have my bike set up for my GoPro cameras mounts. I have one mounted right here for rear view look, so looking pretty much on my back, seeing my leans. I got one mounted on the side here, so it kind of views going this way on the bike, which is also a pretty nice view. And I got one mounted up here, and I use this for my pretty much my face shot. You know, show you, go ahead and show you a little bit real quick. Turn signals are not that, they don't look that bright, but at night they are really visible, and it looks really good. Even though they're blue, they still got an amber, light in there. Hazard still blinks slow. And now for the exhaust. Deep. Share it one more time. Yeah. So, oh yeah, one more thing I also got was these spools are here. The slider type for my my rear bike stand. These are awesome. I really recommend getting a bike stand for your bike so you can lube up your chain, inspect your tires, and do all kind of shit, man. Once you learn how to do it, change out your tires, adjust your chain, and all that good shit. Once again, this is the Jpr 2013 Jpr 600. I love this bike. You know, I plan on doing more to it later. And when I do, I will keep y'all updated and up to date, man. Other than that, I'm finna continue practicing my riding so I can be a better rider on these twisties and shit. And until next time, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and I will talk to you guys later. It's pretty cool. He tried to make sure that I was okay. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Be safe. Now, for those of y'all who's wondering about what I was talking about, this windshield up here and what happened to my shit, I know it's hard to tell because it's kind of dark because I got light shining on it. But I got a little bit of melting going on right here, just a little bit. And when you get the actual windscreen, there's a warning that tells you that it will do that. So I recommend that you guys, when you get this new, if you get a new one, get something to cover your shit up. Just protect it. That's pretty much all I got, dog. I'm out.